equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on cleaning the Thermomix TM31, focusing specifically on the plate and motor. To start, gather the following tools: a soft cloth, a small brush, a screwdriver, and a bowl of warm soapy water. Ensure you have everything ready before diving in. First, unplug your Thermomix TM31 to ensure safety. Begin by removing the mixing bowl from the base. This is done by twisting it counterclockwise until it releases. Set the bowl aside for cleaning later. Next, we'll focus on the plate. Use the small brush to gently remove any food particles stuck on the plate. If you notice stubborn residue, dip your cloth in the warm soapy water and wipe it down. Avoid using abrasive materials as they can scratch the surface. Now, let's move on to the motor area. Carefully unscrew the base cover using your screwdriver. There are typically 4 screws to remove. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the cover is off, you'll see the motor. Use the soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. It's crucial to keep this area clean to ensure optimal performance. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to maintain your appliance without the hassle of transport. After cleaning the motor, replace the base cover and securely fasten the screws. Make sure everything is tight to prevent any issues during operation. Now, return to the mixing bowl. Rinse it thoroughly with warm water and a mild detergent. Ensure all soap is removed before drying it with a soft cloth. Once everything is clean and dry, reassemble your Thermomix TM31 by placing the mixing bowl back onto the base. Twist it clockwise until it clicks into place. For those who prefer a professional touch, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. This means you can have peace of mind knowing your appliance is in expert hands. Finally, if you ever need repairs, remember we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. This way, you can make informed decisions without any surprises. In summary, regular cleaning of your Thermomix TM31's plate and motor is essential for maintaining its performance. With the right tools and a bit of care, you can keep your appliance in top shape. Thank you for following this guide, and happy cooking. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.